Hello and welcome to your standing core and lower body workout. Let's begin in mountain pose at the top of your mat today. Gently shake out your legs, move around for a moment. And now take one big inhalation as you reach your arms up. And exhale, twist to the right, left arm forward, right arm back. Inhale here. And exhale, fold, left hand comes down, left knee bends, right arm reaches up and your right leg is extended. With your next exhalation, rise up into the twist. Inhale to center, reach your arms high, and exhale, twist to the left. Inhale here, and exhale, fold, right hand down, right knee bends. Exhale, rise into the twist. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, hands to heart. Now bring your right foot out to the side, toes stay grounded. And stretch your left arm over to the right for a nice side stretch, keeping length in both sides of your upper body. Stay here for a moment while I show you our first exercise. We're going to do a crunch twist, followed by a side leg lift with your arms in front, fingers together. Alright, right foot stays where it is, release the stretch, bring your fingers together, and let's go. Twist, tap the mat, and lift the leg. Tap the mat, twist, tap and lift. Keep going. Your core engaged, controlled movements. Only 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Let's go into the side stretch to the left. So your left foot steps out, your right arm stretches over. Hold it here for a moment. And then we're going to do the same twist and lift exercise on the other side. So release your stretch. Bring your arms forward and let's go. Twist, tap the mat, side leg lift, tap and twist. Keep going, working your core. Only 10 more seconds. Last 3, 2, 1, and release. Great. Wiggle out your legs while we take a look at our next exercise. It's a knee raise to a mini warrior 3 move in one fluid motion. When you're ready, lift your right knee up and let's do this. Send the right leg back and bring the knee forward. Back and forward, again keeping your core engaged here. This exercise is great for your core, your lower body and your balance, so you really get it all in one move. Last 3, 2, 1. Hold your leg back, bend the knee. And let's do mini kicks back for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Take a big step back into high lunge. Inhale as you reach your arms high. And exhale, interlace your hands behind your back. Now fold forward over your front leg Inhale, raise up, reaching arms high. And exhale, step forward to mountain pose. Take a short rest. And get ready to do this knee raise to mini warrior 3 on the other side. Begin by raising the left knee and then send it back for a mini warrior 3. Bring it forward and back, your core working. Halfway through, last 3, 2, 1, hold the leg back, bend the knee, and let's pump it for 10, 9, 8, stay with me. 3, 2, 1, and gently step back into high lunge. Inhale, reach your arms up, and exhale, interlace your hands behind your back. Fold forward over your leg. Inhale, rise up, your arms reach high. And exhale, step forward to mountain pose, hands to heart. For our next exercise, we're going to step one leg back to a mini lunge, hovering the knee. Then draw the knee to the opposite elbow, step back to the mini lunge, and come back to standing to switch legs. Get ready, and let's go. Step back, twist, step back, and come to standing. Other side. Step back, twist, step back, and to standing. Keep your upper body straight and remember to engage your core. Maybe pick up the pace if you'd like to get your heart rate up. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now come into goddess pose, your feet turned out, your knees bent wide and pointing into the same direction as your toes. Hold it here for a moment and have a look at our next exercise. With your hands at your head, lean over to the right, your left arm stretches over, then same to the left, back to center, press yourself up, back to goddess, and repeat. Go ahead, place your hands to your head, and let's go. Crunch to the right, to the left, come to center, press up, and back to goddess. Strong core here. We're working our obliques, we're adding a bit of leg work here because why not? So stay with me. This is our final exercise. Three, 2, 1, and you are done. Extend your legs, turn your toes forward and slightly in, and release your upper body down into a wide-legged forward fold. Reach your left arm up for a twist, right hand stays down. And other side, left hand down, right arm stretches up. Beautiful. Unwind and heel toe your feet in. Carefully roll up, take your time here. And once you're up, inhale as you reach your arms high and exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this class, check out my other videos for more and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!